In today's video, I recorded a bunch of productive days in hopes that I could inspire you guys to all have your own productive moments, even if it's folding laundry and drooling over the cast of Off Campus. You know, y'all are just gonna have to see this for yourselves. Hello! So I have not picked up my camera in forever, but I just wanted to show you guys. Literally, I've made 3 different versions, or like, not really 3 versions, but I've been sitting here for like, looking at the time, maybe like 2 or 3 hours now. And this all started just because I wanted to do a cute little OC thing for like the intro of the video. And now we have the creation of the mini COLLAB avatar. I've always wanted to have a avatar or like a OC kind of thing for my YouTube channel and even just my social media in general. Also, ignore me looking like a rat's nest. I have been inside all day other than 1 walk, maybe 2 walks. Usually when I'm editing all day and it's summer, it's kind of nice. I like to just go on walks in between. Kind of like I have a little recess, but like not really, you know? It's the only way I can kind of manage doing like full work days when I'm getting unpaid. Sometimes dreaming bigger than you can actually handle in a current moment means doing all the work yourself, and right now I'm in the process of doing all the work myself. Hopefully once things start to snowball and work out, I can start to hire a team slowly. But yeah, I guess this is, I guess I could take the time to update you guys a little bit. I feel like it's been a minute since I've updated anything. Let's just say the last couple of weeks, I've been doing a lot of living, a lot of helping my parents move, a lot of drawing in between. I finally got a drawing tablet. Anyways, as I was saying, oopsies, this is what I was working on today, and just a little sneak peek. I'm not gonna totally reveal what is going on yet because I don't know when this video will be uploaded. I kind of just like documenting my process, and I hope one day I can look back and go, oh my god, I can't believe I was at that point because I've come so far. This was the first drawing I did just to test things out. I don't know, I just wrote I'm so excited because I wasn't ready to draw, but I was like, oh, I'm so excited to be able to. Now there's some other stuff I've been working on. I did this today as well. Trying to make some podcast art for me and Himiko's podcast. If you don't know what it is, it's Wait, Let Me Explain. There's a little thing you can see. Feel free to subscribe to it. We talk about our lives. We talk about a lot, actually. We do a lot of yapping on there, so. But if you want to know more about my life and things like that, definitely head there.
3 weeks later.
I literally feel like, I was supposed to film reels before leaving, and now I didn't because I was not feeling good. Literally last night, I had like literally the worst cramps of my life. They've never been that bad before, so I honestly have no clue why. And I feel like I have to go get myself checked out, but genuinely, like, I don't know, like, I was in so much pain, like, I started crying, and I was like, I literally cannot do any more work right now. Which is kind of annoying because I was supposed to be done editing 2 videos yesterday. Only got through like half of 1. Good news though, I am going to my brother's graduation, so that's gonna be super exciting. I popped a Tylenol, hopefully that'll help. Wow. Yeah, Joshua! Good morning. Today's a Monday, so that means I have a day off and I have a million things to do, actually. I don't know what order to go in because right now I still feel like I'm playing catch up. If you didn't know, I literally went on vacation like 2 or 3 weeks ago by now. And then it was just like back to back events. I'm helping my parents move, my brother's graduation, my mom's birthday, Father's Day. Then I had a trip, and then to make up for all the time I spent away from work, I picked up like 5 shifts or something like that. So I was working 12-hour shifts, doing all the things, and meanwhile trying to get back into my routine, which was like kind of flopping. But this week We're starting off on a clean slate, okay? I actually did my laundry yesterday because I actually had a day off on a Sunday for once. I just have to fold it, and I have videos to edit today. I might film reels either today or tomorrow. I also need to record myself drawing, so I'm gonna be doing that later because I am trying to start, I guess this could be part of the, this clip is either gonna be part of the week of my life, or this is just gonna be like a random, or it's just gonna be, oh my god, why is it so dark? Hello? Okay, hopefully the brightness is a bit better, but yeah, as I was saying, I don't know, this might just be a random segment in my first studio vlog, who knows. I do want to start recording the process of me making art. Normally I wouldn't do my makeup if I'm staying at home all day, but I realized that I've been doing too much of that lately, and when I'm not going out, which is like a lot, unless I want to work, but then again I don't really do my makeup that much for work, I feel like I haven't really been giving myself the attention I need. So I'm gonna do my makeup. Hopefully that'll help me feel like I can conquer the day, because I feel like when I'm not wearing makeup I just feel so lazy and so tired. Like my mind just associates wearing pajamas and no makeup as like bedtime, and I need to change that. I need to give myself that mental switch, I guess, to be in conquer mode. Okay, we need to conquer things today. Okay, I'm just gonna change outfits. I'm gonna go eat some breakfast, and I'll see you guys when I'm about to fold laundry. So I actually lied. Before I eat breakfast, my mom gave me 2 pairs of jeans that she said would probably fit me, so I'm gonna try them on, and we can see if they fit. These jeans, like, not bad, you know? It's a little tighter on the stomach, but with the progression I'm doing, going to the gym and things, hopefully that shouldn't be a problem in a couple months or a year. The other one completely just like did not fit, so unfortunately I might not be able to wear that one. Sorry, Mom.
1 hour later.
So, I think it is time I watch this while I fold that. I heard a lot about this show. I don't know if I should be scared or not. Okay, I have been working for about like 2 hours plus folding my laundry, so that was like another couple hours, because if you didn't notice in the clips, I got really distracted watching the show. It's too good. Okay, I finished half of it all just today, so. But I'm starting to get like really hungry, so I think I'm just gonna go eat some dinner real quick. I don't think I'm gonna record any more of that boring stuff, I want to say, like, because it has a lot of line work, I'm sure you guys saw. But yeah, I'll show you guys the final product once it's complete. Hello. Okay, so I just got back from thrifting, and I just kind of honestly just spent a day with myself, and I haven't really like taken myself on a date in a while, or like officially like taken myself on a date, but I feel like I really just needed like a me day and spend some time with myself and actually let myself like splurge a little bit. Spent a little bit more than I initially hoped for, but that's okay because I did set aside some money, like a good portion of my paycheck already. I'm not feeling too bad about that. I am a little worried because I did spend a lot of money the other day though, so yeah, but you know what, it's worth it. I ended up getting like 6 different shirts for like $50 or something, so I think that's a steal. I'll show you guys just like clips of what the clothes look like. There's so many cute tops, and I especially really love this jean kind of crop top thing. I've never had anything like it, and it just fits so well. Like, I've never had something like this cool looking fit me that well. So it was a successful thrifting day, I'll say that. At one point though, I was just kind of hanging around the mall and just drawing while letting my phone charge. That, and I also wanted to sit outside. I just wanted to spend like a nice day out drawing instead of spending the day drawing in my room like I usually do. But yes, I think I'm just gonna shower, pamper myself a little bit. I've been trying my best to like actually get content, but I feel like I've just been so just tired and burnt out, and my freaking Instagram, the Reels aspect isn't working. The settings keep, I don't know, I think it's just like the storage is full. It's so laggy to use, and every time I film, it's like when I look at the drafts where they're supposed to be, they just poof, gone. I do not know what to do because this is like the 4th time that I've had issues with it. So I'm kind of not totally giving up, but I'm reworking a way to sort of at least upload once a week. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed that Yap session. I'm gonna go shower, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next clip.
Several days later.
Dude, it's hard to tell, but the sky is like literally yellow, bruh. Anyways, here's the outfit. I'm going to a work event. Usually I don't have my arms out, but you know what? Screw it, I'm human. Who cares if my arms are a little big? Who gives an F? I don't think anyone's gonna give an F there except for me, so. We're trying new things. We're going out and about and looking cute while we do it. So like my big chungus arse just decided I was too scared to vlog, so here's a clip of me when I got home, literally just big backing this McDonald's shit. Okay. I have been living with no freaking light bulb for the last day and a half, okay? I have my lamp, okay? This is how dark it is. I can't see anything because it doesn't do anything. One of my worst habits. Oopsie, what the frick? Literally one of my worst habits is not putting away groceries when I bring them home. They literally just sit in a pile for like, there's a bag right there. They just sit for like weeks on end. So I just want to film this to say I did put them away today. Good job, Rachel. I'ma be for real, I don't think that's gonna happen again. All I'm saying is, hey, we're getting good at this. We're getting better. We're getting good. We're getting so fast. We're getting so good. But anyways. When I was younger, actually, I've always had like a passion for YouTube. I started in grade 7. I just started with... I just did my very first collab. Okay, I'm whispering because my door's open and I feel like people can hear me and I'm a little nervous. But oh my god, I did my first collab. I feel like this is such a huge milestone. Except the problem is I look, was listening to the podcast or like the clip that was uploaded, and I don't think I answered anything. Dude, I don't know if I got ADHD or what. Like, I'm just gonna say here because I hate the idea of like saying, oh, I'm diagnosed with things when I don't know for sure. But genuinely, like the way I was answering those questions, I'm like, where's my I was also like really nervous. That sounds so weird. Like I film so much all the time by myself, but when it came to like being on like a set where I'm like, oh my god, like if I say the wrong thing, is that gonna be bad? I gotta make sure I don't like stutter. So I was like in my head a little bit, but it's okay, you know, it's a learning curve. Honestly, I need to work on my vlog outros because I didn't even really finish the video or say anything to conclude my video. So here's a random clip of the upcoming video that I'm currently working on. This will be out eventually. Yeah, but I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching and supporting and being productive with me, okay? I really hope you guys watch this video and feel inspired to get your app moving, okay? And start doing the things that you want to be doing but you just been procrastinating on doing, okay? Get your butt up. I see you, okay? Stop being on YouTube, stop doom scrolling, go get your butt out there, okay? Let's be productive. Let's go. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.